Hey guys, it's me, Soleil. I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I'm really excited to be making this one. This one is my shoe collection video. I've always wanted to make a video like this because I think shoes are so fun. I always liked watching the shoe collection videos on YouTube growing up, and I just thought it was really cool to see everyone's different shoes and what they look like. I just love shoes. I'm a big shoe person. I don't actually have a lot of shoes for somebody that likes shoes a lot. The shoes I do have though, I absolutely love and tend to go with a lot of different outfits, and that's why I have them. I hope you guys enjoy watching and seeing all my shoes. If you liked any of them, feel free to comment down below. I just got my wisdom teeth out from my face hurts. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Enjoy! Hey, it's the first pair of shoes. So exciting. I actually got these from Free People and I absolutely love these shoes. They go with so many things. It's like a more of a cream color, not so much a white, but definitely adds a pop of color, a pop of a bright cream to your outfit, and I absolutely love them. Second pair of shoes. These are my most expensive pair, definitely one of my favorites. These are also from Free People, and I know that the leather is Italian. It's super soft, super comfortable. I can wear these for hours. Again, add a really cute pop of cream to your outfit. Love it. My first pair of waterproof shoes. These are a Sorels boot, which I absolutely love the brand. Their shoes are super comfortable and they're waterproof. And they keep your feet super warm. I wear them all the time in the winter. And these are just super cute and grungy. I love the bottom treading. It's so cute. I absolutely love these. These are my favorite shoes out of my entire collection. These are the Molly Platform Doc Martens with the Buttero leather, which is my favorite leather that they make. I love the ribbon tie. It's super cute, grungy, yet girly at the same time. I wear these in every circumstance. I wear them as much as possible. I just think they're an incredible shoe, and definitely worth the money if you're thinking about buying a platform doc. I just love these. These are my second pair of Doc Martens, which I absolutely love. They're definitely a different vibe than the Molly's, but they are so unique and they create such a kind of hippie, folky look to your outfit. Definitely a very soft leather as well. It's not going to hurt your foot. These are also very comfy. I wear them as much as I can to give it that indie look. You knew that I had to get the Doc Martens sandals. These are seriously the most comfy sandals I have ever purchased in my entire life. The support is fantastic and I can wear these for upwards 8-9 hours. I absolutely love these. I usually just wear them this summer, and yeah, I thought they were kind of cute with these socks too. These are the newest addition to my shoe collection. I've always loved Converse. I've had Converse since I was such a young girl, and the moment I saw these Hike Stars, I knew I needed to have them. I love the treading on the bottom, super grungy, and they're also super comfortable. I know people usually think Converse aren't really the most comfortable shoes, but these ones are just incredible, and I love the star on the back. Super cute. These next shoes are my second pair of Sorels. I absolutely love these. I wear these almost every single day, just throw them on with leggings or even with jeans. They are so cute and warm and waterproof, so it's the best shoe for the winter time. Seriously, so awesome, and they're super cute. They are definitely something that I recommend getting if you live in a place with a lot of snow. Definitely recommend. These next shoes are my Dolce Vita boots. I love these, and I know that people are seeing them all over Instagram. They definitely are super cute and unique. Definitely a simpler boot compared to some of the other boots I have in my collection, but they are super chic and very practical as they go with anything in your wardrobe. I know what you guys are thinking. Girl, wow, the color. I know. I absolutely love these. In the summer, I tend to go for some more colorful, kind of hippie inspired looks, and these definitely kind of tie the look together when I wear them. They are Keds, and they're super comfortable, and I can wear them from up to 8 to 9 hours. They are just super fun and unique, and that's why I love them. These are my 4th pair of Doc Martens. These are my kind of like hiking slash like getting muddy Doc Martens. I used to like go ghost hunting a lot in them, and definitely a soft leather. I think it's Virginia leather, and they have a few extra eyelet holes, so they're a little bit taller. Yeah, I really do like these. Very practical and a good kind of beginner Doc Marten for people who haven't really tried like a combat boot before. Love them. They last forever too. Now, these next shoes are definitely something you probably didn't expect to see in my collection, but these are the Betsey Johnson Steve Madden rhinestone boots. I love the pointed toe and I love the heel. They're really cute actually to dress down with jeans and a graphic tee, like so easy. Otherwise, they're really cute to wear to like a dance or some sort of social, I don't know. We are at the end of the collection. These are my like pointed toe Johnny Cash boots, kind of what I call them. They just remind me of like a old like singer. I love them, like from the 70s, I guess. I think they're so cute, and I love the pointed toe. Go with everything. You can dress them up, dress them down. They are pretty much a win-win. They're just really uncomfortable, which kind of stinks, but super cute. Welcome to the end of the video. I'm glad that you stayed. Definitely like this video and subscribe if you can. Comment down below some video suggestions that you have. I'd love to hear them. Your girl has been on a creative content kind of kick lately, wanting to film some videos for you guys, and the more suggestions that you guys can give me, the better. Snow's melting. It just snowed where I live. A lot of snow. Definitely follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!